Do you want fix a InQ in one's human? Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, step by step. Okay, the first step, we are going to the Steam, okay, and here we are going to the Steam icon, okay. Here go to the settings, and in these options, okay, we are going to the downloads. Here, the first step, we are going to declare cache and confirm, okay. This is a first step, okay. The second step, we are going to library and go to the once human, okay, here, and go to this icon and go to the properties. In here in the properties, okay, we are going to the install files and you click here, okay, in verify integrity of game files. You click, okay, and you verifying the integrity of files, okay. The second step, okay, the third step, go to the general, go to the launch options. Here you put dash dx11, if not work this, dash dx12, okay, and you solve the problems. Bye bye.